Hello and welcome to Red Bottom Corner. I have a nice unboxing video today that probably won't be so nice because I am 99.9999 etc percent sure that these are fake. Like, best case scenario here is that they're cute, but they're probably not gonna fit because they're not real. So here we go. Wish me luck. I'm so embarrassed. There's a box? Not the right box. Real box, fake shoes. I guess that night I was just willing to throw away $100. Can you imagine if they're not fake? How I'm gonna react? Can't even. Hey. There's a packet of rhinestones. I'm drawing this out because I'm really nervous. My apologies. Okay. Definitely a fake bag. Ah! No. Oh, they're so fake. Oh, sucky. They're fake as dang it. I was duped. No more insomnia shopping. I'm not allowed to buy shoes between the hours of midnight and 8 a.m. How does that sound as a deal? Okay. It's not good. You see the difference here? Look at the shininess. It's just so much more vibrant. Well, first of all, they don't even match up to the shoe. It looks meh. I think that it needs to be all the way straight down. This one's a little bit flared out at the bottom. It doesn't match the profile. See how this is very smooth? Well, on the bottom of this, it's got a texture. This is a huge red flag. The pictures were so bad that I couldn't really tell if that was smooth or not. The only thing in my very tired middle of the night brain that really drew me to think it was fake, and it was kind of after I pushed purchase. Oh well. I mean, they're not cute shoes. They're just not real. Okay, I'm gonna try it on. The Louboutins run small. See, way too much space. It needs to be, because I like it like right at the heel, like the end here, and then it'll stay on. But there, look how much space is up here. Like, they're just too big. They're just too big. That's all it is. Bummer. Fail. Don't tell anyone. I hope you can all forgive me for doing that, but now we have a learning experience together, so we kind of know that if you have questions in your brain and it's between the hours of midnight and 8 a.m., don't buy it. Wait till you're awake. That is the difference between a real Louboutin and a fake Louboutin. A fake Louboutin is cute, a real Louboutin is art. Okay, everybody, have a great day.